Hello there. Did you know without mathematics we don't have the basic essentials like computers, phones, and even the internet? Imagine a world without all these essentials. Hi everyone, my name is Fortune and welcome to Lemons with Fortune. So the question now becomes, why did I decide to start a math channel? Well, mathematics has always been a very big passion of mine. I've always wanted to help my classmates when I was in secondary school and even during my early university days improve in their math work. But sometimes it did work, while sometimes it didn't. And I've always been searching for a platform where I could bring students from different parts of the world together to help them improve in mathematics. And that is the reason I started the math channel. And how do I aim to achieve this, and how do I aim to do all this I just said? Well, I aim to do this by helping students study better, improve better, guiding them on the basics of maths and building them to become solid mathematics students. So, what can you expect to gain from Learn Maths with Fortune? Well, we'll cover everything from basic simple maths to complex arithmetic geometry. We'll go through all this on my YouTube channel, my Facebook, and my TikTok, so you should follow all of them. We would also have fun quizzes and interactive sections where you can ask questions and get answers in real time. Before we get into all the fun stuff, let me just get this out of the way. Let's just consider BODMAS. As you can see, it's BODMAS, BODMAS, so to pronounce it as. Now, let's find out what all these individual letters stand for. So, B stands for brackets. Think I'll do something. So B stands for brackets, which is what? Which is this. Okay. Now, O stands for others. Others. O stands for what? Others. I'll just be highlighting the letters so you can see them. Now, others. Okay. Now, D stands for what? Division. That's beautiful. You guys are getting the hang of it now. Now, M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition. And finally, S stands for subtraction. That is BODMAS. So we'll consider 5 examples where these things are applied. First of all, let me write this. I'll write this out in a box here so you can see it. I'll highlight them in a box here. I'll do them in my green marker. And after doing them, then we can start. Let me quickly do them in black. Now, this is BODMAS. So that is BODMAS there. So now, we're going to consider some examples. Well, first of all, what actually is the importance of BODMAS and why is this relevant to us? Well, this is the bedrock of every equation. You know, there's something in maths called equation, or we can have an expression, we can have equation, we can have an expression. Okay, so you can either have an equation or an expression. Equation is just an expression but it's an equals sign. So for example, I say equation can be, the sign expression can be 2x plus y. What will I call an equation? An equation will become 2x plus y equals 20. So this makes this man an equation. Is that gotten? So why is this BODMAS important? BODMAS is important in solving this because I can give you a complex problem like something like a plus b times c plus d minus z. Now, this is an example of something requiring a very good knowledge of this. In fact, I usually tell my students and some people that BODMAS is the foundation of mathematics. So now let's see practical examples, and after that we'll conclude this video. So this is a beautiful expression involving BODMAS. Now, we've seen that brackets is the first thing. So this BODMAS is in order of like this. Don't you forget. Always remember that you are going down in descending order. Let's write it down somewhere. Now, this is just take note of this, please. Now, B is this, right? Right? Yeah. So it means that we'll solve whatever is within here first. Alright? Now, what is the first thing here? Okay, we have inside here, within here, we have 6, okay, we have 5, and we have 3. That's not what you're concerned about. What you're concerned about is, look at what you're concerned about there. We are concerned about this, and this. Okay? Now, the second thing we have here is orders. And what are orders? Orders simply means powers. Okay? Alright? Now, we can write this as this seems to be equal to 7 plus, open bracket, 6 times, we have 5 order 2, or 5 raised to the power 2, which becomes what? 25 minus 3. Alright? Now, this is equivalent to 7 plus, now, this sign here is, there's no division. Okay. There's multiplication. Fun. Now, let's do this. So we have what? 6 times 25. And what is 25 times 6? 25 times 6 is 150. Beautiful. Now, if we subtract 3 from 150, what then do we get? So this becomes equivalent to 7 plus, alright, the last thing required is still in the brackets. Now, if you look here closely, you see that addition came before subtraction. But why are we not doing addition before subtraction? Because we are still within the vicinity of this bracket. Remember, this man first. Alright? Now, we have 150 minus 3. And what does that give us? It gives us 147. So now we can reduce the brackets. So we have what? 7 plus 147. And that man gives us what? 154. Alright? So this is the correct answer. Now, they're required to solve this question. Alright? So, again, what do we do? What's the first thing we do? We take it sequentially. We go from brackets. So we start from this man. I'll just do them in this red. Yeah, I think it's to make it beautiful. Yeah, red. Kind of put together. So we start from this man here. Okay? Then order is here. Alright? Then the next thing we'll do, let's do a triangle, division, and then multiplication, we'll do it in a square. Okay? So this is first, second, third, fourth. Alright? So I can also say first, second, third, and fourth. Alright? So let's begin. Now, what's the first thing we do? We write that this is equivalent to, alright? Follow me. 5 times, we're doing the bracket first. Alright? On the rule. You cannot go against the rule. 3 plus 2 is what? 3 plus 2 is 5. But still in the bracket, right? Minus, who is this man here? 6 power. Order, power. Alright? 6 power is what? 36. Okay? Now, divided by 3. Now, what that is the third thing we're going to do. Alright, so this is third. Let's go. This becomes what? 5. But remember, we still have something in the brackets here. But let's wait and continue. Now we have 5 times 5 minus, okay, 36. This is what? Negative 36. Or say 36 divided by 3 gives us what? Negative 12. Alright? So we have this. Now multiplication becomes the fourth thing, right? So 5 times 5 is what? 25. And you have 25 minus 12, which boils down to 13. So you guys see that BODMAS is actually easy. So the last thing I'll do is to give you guys an assignment. Please drop this answer in the comment section below if you get it. Alright, so guys, that is it. Now let's conclude the video. Thanks so much for watching. If you're excited to learn more to me, please do well to like this video, hit the bell icon, and subscribe to this channel. Remember, maths can be fun, and it will be fun to go on this journey of learning maths with you all. Please also comment whatever questions or whatever confusions that may arise while watching any of my videos. Or if you have any question you want me to solve or any topic you want me to treat, leave it in the comment section below. Remember, maths can be fun, and that's what I'm here to prove to you. Peace and bye for now.